Coming back, remember it's always Mex, trying to give you very important information. By the way, is it your first time to come across Mex? Don't hesitate. Give him a subscribe button, follow, like, and share. Yes. Let us try to look at what we call cases under which your residence permit can be cancelled. Under cases under which your QID may be cancelled. Most of you have talked about what we call cancellation, ID cancellation. I'm cancelling my ID. My ID was cancelled. I want to cancel my ID. But under what circumstances may your QID be cancelled? Or under what circumstances may your your residence permit be cancelled? That's what we're going to do. Yes, let us try to look at Article 61 of 21 of 2015. Article 61 of Law 21 of Regulating 2015, which regulates what we call residence entry and what we call entry and exit. And also, which Article 61, it will talk about what we call the residence permit, under which circumstances or under what circumstances it may be cancelled, and that is what you have to know. So, before you think about what we call cancellation and the rest, you must definitely be aware what law it talks about, what article talks about the cancellation, under what law, and which year, which is 61/21 of 2015. Yes, your residence permit can be cancelled under what you call, if there is issues of the court. If the court orders that your residence permit cancelled, it will be cancelled. Definitely that's one, you have to know it. It will be cancelled and you'll have to exit. Then also we look at what you call issues, orders coming from the CID, for example, deportation, where you need to exit a country. Definitely they are going to cancel what you call your QID. For those people that have cases or people that have gone through cases, criminal cases in that regard, definitely you need to know that your ID in that regard, it will be cancelled or it will be cancelled under what you call the directive of this Criminal Investigation Department or the CID. Then we look at what we call still insurance of what you call the cancel. You can cancel your ID, and also under what you call provision of what you call 37, still of the same article. Reason being that you yourself, you can request to cancel your QID because you want to exit and you want to exit the country. So according to the law, you have the right to request to cancel your QID if you are going to exit the country, not return back in that regard for any other business. Then we look at expatriates that have lived out of the outside Qatar for more than 6 years, for more than 6 months. Definitely you'll agree with me that your QID will be cancelled automatically in the system. And for you to come back in the country, definitely you need what you call the re-entry permit, or you'll need under entry for you to be able to come back into the country. So those are some of the reasons that definitely you can know. Yes. Then let us try to look at the reasons, like if the purpose of the intended time or the intended activity has ended, then definitely your QID is cancelled. Most of you have worked with companies and the contracts for 3 years and the contract finishes. So that company will say, okay, our contract with you was 2 years, you can go out or you can exit. Then they will be able to be, they will be forced, or they will be able to cancel your QID in the system, such that they cancel out with their ownership or their sponsorship away from you. So on all those, in that we look at those ones come under what you clause 3, clause 4, and clause 5 of still the same article, which is Article 61 of Law of 21 of 2015, that the company can close if the duration of the stay or the duration that was agreed upon is done. Then you can be able to exit and cancel it in one way or the other. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Yes. Don't forget to follow. It's always Mex from the Mexcreationtv, trying to give you a guide and give you living in Qatar and working in Qatar, which is a very, very important aspect of it all in one way to be able to protect yourself. Thank you so much. See you again.